Hey all, today I'm gonna share how to make easy Christmas ornament with clay. It is a super easy idea for Christmas decoration. I'm taking equal quantity of resin and hardener and mixing it properly to make a nice air-dry clay.
Make a circle with clay. Give star impression on it. Make a hole at the top to attach the ribbon. Then make houses and tree as I'm showing. Stick on it. Let it dry completely. Now color it. Now color it as I'm showing. Isn't it pretty easy and beautiful? Hope you enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.